this week has just been really yucky. Welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking this video, choosing to spend your valuable time with me. I don't take that lightly at all. God bless you. So this morning we're going for an influencer event and I'm trying to decide what I want to wear. I'm thinking of this dress just because it's like, you know, spring, and this is giving, it's a summer dress because like the whole back is open, but yeah, it's giving spring. So I'm thinking I'll wear this and then I will put on a cardigan over it, and then maybe just like try style it by wearing heels instead of wearing flats so that it's not too casual. And then for the bag, I'm just thinking the Louis. So like, yeah, this is the combo. Let me put this on and then we'll head out. This event was to celebrate the launch of Clorox Scentiva in Canada. The team walked us through the thought process behind it. The fragrance team who came up with the solution were also there. The whole idea was that they wanted to create a product that just doesn't clean but smells amazing too, and they really achieved that. The product smelled so good. Beyond that, it was a great day, and I really loved meeting some of my creative friends that I hadn't met before in real life. Kay and I are heading to Oshawa. There's a farm there where we get chicken and eggs and a couple of other items. So yeah, I need to stock up on those. Then we're gonna go to the barber because Kay needs to cut his hair. I just thought, since he's leaving the house, I was like, can we just like go to this place and run this errand so that I can be a passenger princess. I've been coming to this farm for probably about a year now, and I had no idea they sell all sorts of things here. I really just thought it was meat, veggies, eggs, you know, some baked items. But Kay was just walking around and ended up in this section, and I was looking for him, started walking around, and then I found him, and I was so surprised. And it just made me realize that sometimes routines are bad, because I just come in here, pick up chicken, sometimes veggies, go to the counter to pay, pick up eggs, and then I head out. But yeah, sometimes it's just good to explore because then you discover other things. Oh, I'll show you all what I got. So I got these sliced mushrooms. They are frozen, and I just thought they would be so convenient and come in handy for like cooking. So it was just $7 for a bag. Also got Brussels sprouts. We love Brussels sprouts, but this is so cheap, like $5 for this bag. So got 2 of those as well. Also got these, so $5 per bag too. And then I got some Italian seasoning, $3. Then this, Kay's the one that picked out this. There was like a lady that was picking this out and he was like, oh, he wants to try it. So you basically put it in the pot when you're boiling eggs and it tells you if your eggs are soft, medium, or hard. Then I got chicken. And the most important thing, I got eggs. So I keep some of the eggs in here and then I'll put the remaining ones in here in the fridge downstairs. Remove my jacket, it's hot in here. Sort through this part of our entryway. It's just driving me nuts anytime I pass this place. In here I have just like clothes I need to sort through and decide if I want to trash or give away. In here I keep our everyday shoes just because I don't want shoes on the floor, so I keep them in here and we grab them when we're heading out. And then of course jackets, but winter is long gone, so it's time for these to be washed and put away in the closet. This is an entryway mat that I got from Costco last year around this time actually, and I've been wanting to return it, but at this point I don't even know if I should still return it. Costco does allow returns at whatever point. It doesn't even matter that it's been about a year, but I'm thinking of using it. I think this is more like of a springy vibe than the current mat I have, but let me clean the entire entryway first, then I'll decide. So people say not to wash your winter jackets, but I wash mine. I've been washing mine for like 2 years now and they're still fine. The most important thing is this. Look for what the instructions are. And it literally says machine wash cold separately, delicate cycle only. Non-chlorine bleach, like don't put any of that stuff. And then when needed, tumble dry on low. So what I typically do is I put them in the washer on like delicate cycle with cold water, and then I don't dry them in the dryer because I feel like the dryer is what ruins most clothes. I just dry mine outside. So that's my husband's winter jacket, and this is mine, and same thing for mine. It literally says the same thing because I've checked. Where is it? Yeah, so it's here. It says machine wash on a delicate cycle on cold water. So yeah, and I like to take care of my jackets because I spend good money on my jackets. Like my winter jacket is from Esprit, and I got this for like 500 and something dollars. And I bought this jacket in 2019 for like 500 and something dollars, and it's still going strong. It's still serving me really, really well. And yeah, I wash it in the washing machine. So don't always listen when people say, oh, don't machine wash your jackets and whatsoever. You just need to wash them in a delicate way. So I'm just remembering that I don't do laundry during the day, so I'm just gonna leave that in there, and then in the evening I'll come and run it. Doesn't this look so much better? And it took me like 10, maybe 15 minutes only. I still need to vacuum, but yeah, I'll get that done. And yeah, I'm happy with this. I don't know how I'm feeling about this situation right here. I feel like, I don't know, it's just missing something. I think I should use this, repurpose this somewhere else, and then get two similar bins that I'll put side by side, because I feel like the spaces on this side look awkward. Let me try move it to one side and see. I don't know. I might need to, I'll revisit this area again and figure out what to do with this, but for now at least it looks. So I don't feel like making dinner, so just came to get this Longo's chicken. It's so good. This is like the best one I've tasted so far, and I've tasted them from every grocery store. This is the only one I actually eat. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna take the raised without antibiotics type. I'm looking for a big one because yeah, I think I'll do this one. I also want to pick up a few vegetables. I enjoy buying produce here. I placed an order for a box of noodles. That's where I am headed. I'm going to pick that up. But for those of you who live in Ontario, what's going on with our weather? Like, it's so chilly. It feels like we're in early November or early March, and this is second week of May. Like by now, typically, weather's supposed to be warmed up a little bit. It's not hot, but it's nice outside. But yeah, this week has just been really yucky outside. When do these expire? 21 November 2026. Okay. So I'll make 5 of these for dinner. Oops. And then I'll take the box downstairs. used about half and then seasoned with my own natural options. Our dinner's ready. Let's taste and see. Taste and see. Do you taste and see or you just taste and taste? So good. So we're gonna have dinner. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you've watched to this point, God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please leave a comment. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.